5,000 years ago, a civilization prospered in ancient India by harnessing the power of water, channelizing it from the river, irrigating the fields, taking it into every home, and eventually draining the waste. This was the Indus Valley Civilization, a civilization that invented and perfected the art and science of plumbing and established a complex water and sewage system that makes us wonder even today. We are inspired by these pioneers. We are Pidilite, pioneers and leaders in adhesives and sealants. Our innovative solutions ensure that the most complex plumbing systems keep working tirelessly to eliminate wastage, avoid leakages and damage, and safeguard health. With our constant quest for innovating, we have a wide range of products that are dependable, durable, convenient. M-Seal range, Rough range, Hold Tight and Leak Guard. Here's a short introduction to what we offer. We at Pidilite promise to stay inspired from our past, to keep improving our future. And for this, we work closely with all critical stakeholders in developing society around us. We partner the users, understand their needs, and train them in delivering better results. We partner the influencers, starting from small workmen to large designers and consultants. Our Dr. Fixit Institute of Structural Protection and Rehabilitation, in association with the National Roofing Contractors Association, NCRA of the United States of America, offers training to all tiers of professionals in the construction industry. And finally, we work with end consumers to make them aware and involved, whether through interesting advertising, merchandising, or direct contact programs. We at Pidilite are passionate about creating better products and solutions for a better society. And we promise that our quest will continue.